There we go. There we go. Well, good morning, guys. So I'm finally standing out on the ice. I'm out here with Matt. It's Bassman TV. I'll drop a link to his channel below. We fished a couple times this year. He was out here, he said it was thick enough, so gave me a call and I jammed out here, and here I am. I haven't even drilled a hole yet or anything. What you said, it's about 3 inches? Yeah. Roughly 3 inches. He's already caught a couple bass, or a bass and a few bluegill, and he's marking fish. I got all my gear here with me. For those of you guys that are new to the channel, and I know a lot of you guys are new from the camping videos, I have these bibs on. If you could see these things, I'm not gonna completely unzip my coat. Anyways, these are made for ice fishing. They float like a life jacket would. They make jackets also, and then you want to wear these around your neck, and these have little spikes in them so that if you were to fall in, you can grab them and use them to claw your way out of the ice. But I'm gonna get you guys either strapped on the chest mount here or set up or something, and I'm gonna drill a couple holes and we're gonna get to fish and see if we can catch our first ice fish of the year today. So stay tuned, guys. I'm pretty excited about this one. That's not super thick.
No. I mean, I pulled out that chunk.
Cracks.
That chunk is sitting in the middle over there. That's pretty big.
Is it?
See that over there.
Solid 2.5.
Yeah.
It's all right. Still gonna fish it. All right, I think I got my graph set up. I'm sitting in, about 10 feet of water, 11 feet of water. Not really seeing anything, but I don't know if it's set up very well. Small rod. This is a Two Brothers Ice 30-inch noodle, tiny little jig. And then on the jig here, we're gonna throw a little wax worm. They sell these locally. And we shall see. Something wants to eat. Be happy with one little fish today, but we'll see. See if I can even see this on my graph, I guess. Yep, I can see it just fine. In fact, I could probably turn my sensitivity down a little bit, but here, fishy, fishy. Come on. Come on. Got a mark, guys. Oh, come on. Take it. There we go. There we go. Nice little bass. Hell yeah. Thank you. Well, there we go, guys. Just put my gloves on so I can get them all wet now. But there we have it. First little ice fish of the season. Nothing to brag about, but I'm happy to finally be on one this year. So we'll get him back in the water. Hell yeah, man, I'm stoked. Need to turn my sensitivity down. He looked like a giant. Hell yeah, happy about that, guys. Ooh, I felt that one all the way over here.
What is that?
The ice cracking.
That's ice cracking?
Yeah. Do I got another mark? I got another mark. Come on, bud.
That's the noise it makes?
Yep. There's another mark looking at it. Come on. It's cracking a lot. Oh, he's going back down. I had one looking at it. He's coming back. Looks like it could be a couple marks. Come on, somebody take it. Can I pull him up any higher? No. Doesn't look too interested in it. Still there though. He's looking at it again. Come on. Well, he didn't want it. Come on, fishy, where are you at? Hopefully not lose my rod here, but I'm gonna drill a couple more holes, I think. We want a little bit closer over here. Want one more fish, I'd be satisfied. Jimmy John, do you think we could get Jimmy John's to deliver on the lake?
On the ice.
Did you see that walleye I caught out of there?
Yeah, I did. That was a damn good walleye.
Oop, I got a mark, I got a mark. This is right when the battery dies on the camera. Oh, you bit it, dang it. Oh, come on, it's gotta be tiny. There we go. What?
Bite it again?
Yes. It's gotta be a tiny little gill or something. And he got all my waxies. Robbed, guys, robbed.
I'll fix the ice.
Huh.
Not 4. It's 4? No.
Like 2.5. It's thin.
It's thin, okay. I was curious. Yeah.
Yeah, this hole right here is 2.5. But next week's gonna ruin it all, so we gotta get it while we can.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking about going tomorrow, but it'll be early. Catching any?
A little bass.
Caught a couple earlier.
Oh, there's Mark. There's Mark. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. Nice gill. I had like 3 or 4 of them come in. There we go, guys. Fish number 2 of the ice season. Not a monster, but a nice gill, and I'm really happy with that. So we'll send him back down the hole. See if I can get another one. Oh yeah, that was awesome. Mark, anything over there?
Couple. I'm taking off though.
Yeah, I'm good. I caught a couple, I broke the seal, I'm happy. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and call it. Haven't been out here too long, but caught a couple. Well, there's a bit of a traffic jam out here. We're off the water, guys. So what'd you end up catching?
Like, I don't know, 4 or 5 total.
And I
One
caught a
bass.
couple, so it was a good trip out. I mean, it was nice to break the seal. It was awesome. Matt gave me a shout that this was safe, or at least safe enough to get out on. And that's another thing, guys. If you're going out on early ice, don't go out by yourself unless you have a lot of experience and the proper safety gear. If you're going out on thin ice like this, you should definitely go out with a partner. So anyways, stay tuned, guys. We've got a lot of cool stuff coming up this year. Some cool stuff coming up with Matt, possibly some camping on a private lake on the ice. So sure, hopefully we get on some more ice fish here soon, depending on how the weather goes here in Nebraska. But it was nice to get out. So stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.